We got a 2025 GMC Acadia Key Fob. This is how you open it up to replace the battery. If you look on the left side here, there's a button we're going to push and hold down. You can remove the emergency door key. It's going to give you access down here to be able to pry this back case open. You can do it with your hand, your finger. Go ahead and just pull that off like that. Alright, here's the weather seal. It just comes right off. Make sure to put that back on the back cover like this. Now, you can try to get this out with your finger, or you can use a small flathead screwdriver. I like these because you can kind of use your hands to do all the work. Battery size is a CR2450. I will have a link in the description box for new batteries. If you need some new batteries, they're going to be the correct size and everything, so just check that out. When you get your new one, positive sign facing out towards us. Bottom goes in, lock it in like that. Make sure you got your seal correct on the back half, and then just put the covers back together. You can hear it snap like that. Then get your emergency door key, lock it back in, and you're all done. Well, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could hit subscribe, like, and hope to see you in another GMC video.